Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Giacomo, I'm a sommelier and a mixologist, and tonight I'm going to show you how to make a Sazerac. Let's start with the ingredients. You're going to need a lemon, some rye or Bourbon, some absinthe, some Angustura bitter, Peychaud bitter, white sugar, and some ice. Start to coat your rock glass with some absinthe. Pour about a quarter ounce into the rock glass. And coat the glass. Leave it for now. Now we're gonna need a lemon peel, so peel your lemon and drop it into the beaker. Add about 2 dashes of Angustura bitter. Add about 3 dashes of Peychaud bitter. And add about a teaspoon and a half of white sugar. Now take your muddle and start to muddle. Once your ingredients are muddled, add about 2.5 ounces of rye. And at this point add some ice. Now you can stir. After your cocktail is stirred, you have two choices. You have some absinthe in your rock glass, you can decide to discard it or leave it. If you discard it, you're just gonna leave a trace of absinthe. I actually prefer to leave the absinthe and taste it. Now add some ice to your rock glass, big ice or regular ice, whatever you have. And finally strain your Sazerac into the rock glass. To finish your cocktail, garnish with a lemon peel. Around, squeeze on top, and just inside. And your Sazerac is ready. Cheers!